Now we'll discuss sprinkler types and their use. So which area and what type of sprinkler to use. Sprinkler heads are devices that are designed to detect the presence of fire and activate to discharge water. Let us first understand the construction of a sprinkler heads. It consists of deflector, glass bulb filled with liquid, frame and water inlet connection to a branch lines. When water is discharged from the sprinkler heads, it hits deflector, which then spreads the water in a specific pattern, typically a circular or semicircular spray. The design of the reflector determines the direction of the shape and the water flow. So based on reflector design, we have four types of sprinkler. The first is upright sprinkler. Here the reflector is positioned on the top of the sprinkler and the water distributed in a circular pattern above the sprinkler. These sprinklers are often used in areas where ceilings are exposed. That means there is no ceiling in that area, like basement car parking or big warehouses. Next you have pendant sprinklers. Here the deflector is oriented downwards and the water is distributed in a circular pattern below the sprinklers. So these sprinklers are used in ceiling areas. Then we have sidewall sprinklers. Here the reflector is designed to direct water away from the wall and out into the room. These are typically installed along the walls and are used in basement ramp areas or in some hallways in hotel rooms. In concealed sprinklers, the reflector is a part of a sprinkler that is hidden behind a cover plate. When activated, the cover plate falls away and the reflector moves into position to distribute water. Now let us see how the glass bulb in a sprinkler works. The glass bulb in the sprinkler head is a heat-sensitive element. It works by containing a liquid that expands when heated. When the temperature around the sprinkler reaches the bulb specified activation temperature, the liquid expands to the point where it breaks the glass. So this breaking action allows water to flow out of the sprinkler. The color of the liquid in the glass bulb is an easy visual indicator of the temperature rating of the sprinkler heads. Orange color with the temperature rating of 57 degrees Celsius used in light hazard occupancy and areas with normal ambient temperatures. Red color with a temperature rating of 68 degrees Celsius is used in AC areas. Yellow color with a temperature rating of 79 degrees Celsius is used in non-AC areas. Green color with the temperature rating of 93 degrees Celsius is used in kitchen areas, like some more hotter areas. And then we have blue color with the temperature rating of 141 degrees Celsius is used in high temperature environment like boiler rooms, foundries and metal working facilities. Then we have mauve color with the temperature rating of 182 degrees Celsius is used in extremely high temperature areas such as in industrial furnace or industrial ovens. We also have black color glass bulb, not shown here, with a temperature rating of 200 to 260 degrees Celsius used in special industrial applications with very high ambient temperatures. Upright sprinklers are used in places like parking garages, storage areas, warehouses, manufacturing plants, automotive plants, utility rooms and workshops. These sprinklers are designed to be installed above the piping, providing effective coverage where equipment and structures could interfere with the water distribution. Now we'll see pendant and concealed sprinklers heads use. Pendant sprinklers are installed with the deflector facing downwards, making them ideal for spaces with false ceilings. These sprinklers are typically seen in residential buildings, offices and hotels. Concealed sprinklers are designed to remain hidden until activated, making them perfect for spaces where aesthetics are important, such as high-end residence, commercial buildings, and luxury hotels. These sprinklers have a cover plate that falls away when the sprinkler is activated, allowing the sprinkler to function without compromising the visual appeal of the space. Sidewall sprinklers are used in areas where ceiling space is limited, such as in corridors, hallways. Sidewall sprinklers are typically mounted on the wall with the deflector positioned to direct water outwards and downwards. In basement or parking garages, sidewall sprinklers are often used to provide coverage along ramps. They are used in residential buildings with bulkhead ceiling. Next, we'll see sprinklers classification based on response type, like how quickly they can respond. So basically, we have two types of sprinkler in this classification. The first is quick response sprinkler. Their glass bulb size is 3 mm. So these sprinklers are designed to activate faster than standard models. They are used in places where the speed of fire suppression is critical, such as in offices, schools, hospitals, and other areas with high occupancy. The quicker activation of these sprinklers helps to control fire at earlier stage. The second one is standard response sprinkler, which is mostly used in all places, like in industrial, commercial buildings, warehouses, and manufacturing facilities. So their bulb size is 5 mm. So these sprinklers are operated by focusing on containing the fire, preventing it from spreading to other areas of building. They activate at a slower rate compared to quick response sprinklers, which make them suitable for larger spaces where the goal is to control the fire until the fire department arrives. There is one more class in these sprinklers we have, that is called residential sprinklers. So these are designed for use in homes and other essential buildings like apartments and hotels. Their primary purpose is to provide light safety by controlling or suppressing a fire quickly, allowing occupant more time to escape. They have a lower activation temperature and are tailored to provide sufficient water distribution for residential building. Their glass bulb is even thinner than 3 mm. So in this video we covered some basic sprinkler types and classification, like where to use upper sprinklers, pendent sprinklers, on-site sprinklers, and sidewall sprinklers. So I hope this video is clear to you. So if you have any doubt, so you can write in comment section or you can send me email.